Your kit should include a battery pack, which is this here, 2 AAA batteries, which are right here, 2 white LEDs, right here, or well, whatever color you got, a solar panel, a circuit board, and a red wire and a black wire. First step, you don't need any of this. You take this solar panel and you take these 2 wires here. You take the black one and you put it to this negative here with some solder here and a soldering iron. You heat it up like this. You get a little bit of solder on there. And here we go. You want to put enough solder on so it sticks to the copper. Like that. And you take this red wire and you put it onto the positive like this. Just like that.
Alright, what we're going to do today, we're going to put this switch in here. As you can see, I already have the switch soldered in there. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You would take a piece of metal, like so, and bend it, like so, till it looks like that, or adjust it how it is going to fit in the hole. And what you'd use to make that wire is this the positive wire here. It's always longer than the negative wire, and this one's usually about out to here, and the negative one's just a little bit shorter. You take that wire off the positive one to make a switch, and then what you do, they don't have a label on the circuit board, but you take this, you would stick it in this hole, as you can see. How I did it with this, and then you would flip it over, bend the 2 tabs back, and then solder them. And make sure that you do not get solder in between there, like I did. And that's it. Today we're going to demonstrate how to put a LED in the circuit board. First, you would take the LED, and then you would put the longer wire, which is the positive end, and the shorter end, which is the negative end. And then, as you can see, they're labeled positive and negative. The positive is always a square, and the negative is always a circle. And stick it in like so. Then you want to give it a little bit of room here. And bend down the tabs like so, and then thank you. And then you're gonna want to solder it in here. Oops. And once you have those solder in, you can take the tabs, and then you can just wiggle them around until they break right off, like so. And that's how the LED is put in.
Alright, so what you want to do to hook the battery up is put this red wire in this left, we'll say positive. This red wire is the positive wire, and then you solder it in just like this. And there you go, it's in there. And what you want to do, there's some more solder on it. Put this black wire in the negative and solder it in. And there you go. Alright, we're going to show you how to take the battery pack on and off and put the batteries in. What you want to do is first start by sliding that off. Taking this end, the flat end, and putting it by the spring. You just kind of put it in there. And you do the same for this battery. And then you put this cover back on the way you took it off, just opposite. And there you go. And then the LEDs turn on and off again. Alright, what you want to do with the solar panel is you put it through the holes that you have made with a drill, punch, whatever. And you obviously stick the black one through the right hole, stick the red one through the left hole, and kind of. And then what you want to do is do the same thing as you did with the batteries. It will say solar. You want to put the red one in the square right here. Solder that in. There we go. Put some solder on there. And there's that. And then you want to put this black wire in the circle hole. There you go. That's it. Alright, the way to tell if the solar panel works with everything is if you do put light to it, it will shut off. But what you want to do is you want to make sure this is turned on. And as you can tell, the LEDs do turn on. But they will turn off with any type of light. I'm going to use a light. And as you can tell, they did shut off. And when you shut off the light, they turn back on. And that's how you know the solar panel is hooked up right and working.
Today I'm going to show you how to hot glue the circuit board to the battery pack. First, take the hot glue gun, put a big dab there, then you just simply stick the circuit board on there, hold it there till the hot glue dries. And then after that dries, you want to hot glue your circuit panel on. Then after that dries, you want to simply take your battery pack with your circuit board on here, and you want to just get a glob of hot glue on there. And then if you have any excess wire, you can just simply hot glue them to the battery pack.
That's it.
And that's it.